In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers to your laptop or PC. This is going to work with the, standard Switch Joy-Cons. It's going to work with any other ones you might buy, and it's going to work with the Switch 2 Joy-Cons as well. But before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now on your PC, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go directly into your settings first. So search for your settings in the start menu. And once you're in here, go to Bluetooth and devices and select add device up at the very top. From here, you're going to want to select Bluetooth. It's going to wait for a little bit. And while your PC is searching for devices, what you're going to want to do is grab your Joy-Con, whether it's one or both. And on the side of the Joy-Con, which means you do have to disconnect it from your Switch itself, locate the small little sync button and hold it down for about 2 seconds. It'll go ahead and start searching right now. And as soon as the green lights start flashing, that means it's going to be in pairing mode, and it's going to start appearing on here. Now, if it's not appearing immediately, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is hit show all devices, and you're going to see even more stuff on here. Scroll through here a little bit, and what you're looking for is a Joy-Con option. Once you see it, go ahead and select it. Wait for it to connect and you'll be good to go. It's going to say connected, and just repeat the exact same process for that second Joy-Con if you want both to be connected. You can also place them into the grip that came with your Switch and use it like a full controller. Now keep in mind this will not work if your computer does not have Bluetooth, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.